So today I'm going to be showing you all how to get registered on OG ads. Like if you have been struggling to get registered on OG ad, this is your the last video you're going to watch. After today, you're going to have an OG ad that is currently approved and which you can start using to start making money. All right. Okay. Just to show you all that I'm not actually joking. This is my own personal OG account, which is verified. You can see it right now. This is a brand new account. Everything is 000. So I've not actually done anything on this account. It's a totally new account. So this is just to show you that I'm saying what I have done. All right, now let's get to the process. Now enter a new email account. So this is OG ads. So just click. I'll put the link in the description below. When you go, or you cannot search for ogads.com. When you get to OG ads, you're going to land on this particular page here. This is your home page. Learn, blog, login, and sign up. I know you don't have an account, so you're basically going to be clicking on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you're going to be prompted to the page where you're going to be creating a brand new OG account. So let it load up. It's loading. All right. First, you're going to see the access info. Do exactly what I am saying right now. Exactly. Don't change anything. One mistake might be the reason why you get rejected again. So username, you can just put a username. They might reject this username, so you have to put something unique, or maybe somebody has used the name before. So yes, they might reject it. So this is not a problem. Put any username of your choice. Your email, put a new email, an email they have not used before. You have not tried to use it to register on CPA, what do you call it? OG ad before. A new email account. That's what you're going to put in here. Password, put your own password. Your password has to have higher case, lower case, a sign, that is maybe apostrophe, any kind of sign, comma or at or hash, anything, any sign at all. Put the same password again. Go to the next step, which is going to land you on address. So your address now this is the tricky side, where you have to put the name that is registered on your bank account. Your bank account name has to connect with what you're putting here. It has to be the same name, the same first name, the same last name. Your address, you need to put your address. So if you know, you need to know, you can, if you don't know your address, then go and ask your neighbors or browse it. Second address is optional. You can leave it empty, or you put something there if you want. City is required. You can put your city. Your region, the states. Right now I'm in Nigeria, so my region, I'm going to put the state, not Nigeria. I'm going to put this particular state in Nigeria that I'm residing. Your postal code, you can basically go on the internet and search for postal code in Lagos, postal code in New York, postal code, and you're going to see different postal code. So postal code is something I'll start talking about here. You can just check that online. Your country, you put that here also, and you go to the next step, which is going to land you on questions. This is the part that is going to ensure that your account is registered. Now, how did you hear of? How did you hear about OG ads? Put YouTube. Simple. How long have you been doing CPA marketing? Put 3 to 5 years. It's very important. 3 to 5 years. Don't start putting 6 months or 12 months or 1 year. 3 to 5 years. You can even put 5 years if you want to, but either this or this. It's very important too. How much are you earning? Don't go and put $100 or 200. Go to the deep side. You need to be an Idan here. You need to be the serious guy. No joking here. No, they're not inquiring newcomers or somebody that's just starting. They want somebody that knows what he or she is doing. So you are going for either 1K to 5K or 5K to 10K. Me, I put 5K to 10K because I've done CPA marketing with CPA Grip, with CPA Lead, with Golden Goose. So I know what I'm saying. I might not make I might not have made up to 10K, but I've made up to $5,000 from CPA marketing. Now let's go down again. Okay, here, please list current networks you are currently sending traffic to. This is where you're going to put CPA grip, CPA leads, type it there, CPA grip, CPA lead, golden goose, OG ad. Okay, OG ad, this is OG ad. Which other network again? Max Bounty. Yes, put different CPA networks that you know here. Then for verticals, what verticals are you working with? This is where I got to, you can browse what verticals are, but verticals are basically kind of offer that you promote. This can be sweepstake, this can be mobile install, this can be content locking. So just put those three offers right now: sweepstake, mobile install, and content locking. That is okay for you. Then what else? What traffic source would you use to promote our offers and monetization tools? This is where you're going to be putting your traffic source, which can be YouTube. For me, YouTube, Pinterest, and what my website. Those are my three major traffic source. Facebook also. So you can basically just type YouTube, Pinterest, Facebook, and I don't know, your website. You're going to need a website if you're doing this thing right now, because we're actually getting there. Next, we have list your current content locking landing page you are running. This is where you need a website. You need it. I'm not playing. I use my own personal website to register this name. So if you don't have a website, or yes, you can also copy one of your, maybe your link that you created on CPA Grip, or another landing page that you created for CPA marketing, and paste it here. Or you can just drop a comment in the under this video. If you want to actually use my own website, I can lend you my website for you to get registered on this platform. When you get registered, you are done. Or please just create a website. Creating a website is not that cost. You can also send me a DM if you need a website for your business, or you will need a website for CPA marketing. Even if it's a blog website, you need a website if you want to get serious with CPA marketing. Then going down, we have your contact details. This is simple. Your phone number. I personally, I didn't even put any Skype. I didn't put all these kits. I didn't put Telegram. All the thing I put there was my phone number. That was it. And next step. Next step is now, I think that's the last step. Say, okay, that finished. Finish. You now verify your. I agree to terms and condition. Verify to you are a human being, and finish. You are going to get registered. They are going to send you an email telling you that, okay, we are reviewing your account, and in less than 12 hours I got an email that your account has been approved. So that is how you get registered on CPA on OG ads. And please, if you found any value in this video, please subscribe. And yes, you need to subscribe, because I'm going to be making more videos. This is just how to get registered. I'm going to be making more videos on how to start making money with CPA marketing. And one of the great marketing tools is OG ads. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.